Let me just call. That's not anything. Let me just call. Let me just call my lawyer. Bro, let me just call my lawyer. I'm not gonna go anywhere. I'm not fighting. My phone is right here.
This is a process. We will inform first your rights, okay?
Okay.
Wow.
Okay, we are police officers from PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group. I am Patrol Nanihiyas and here is our team leader, Police Captain John G. Barbo. You are being arrested for violation of Section 4A and E of RA 9208. You listen! Anti-Trafficking in Persons Act of 2003 as amended by RA 10364.
Okay.
2003 as amended by RA 10364 expanded Anti-Trafficking in Persons Act of 2012 and further amended by RA 11862 expanded Anti-Trafficking in Persons Act of 2022 in relation to Section 6 of RA 10175, otherwise known as the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, and Section 4C1, Cybersex as defined under the Republic Act 10175. You have the right to remain silent. Any statement you make may be used for or against you in any court of law in the Philippines. You have the right to have a competent and independent counsel, preferably of your own choice. If you cannot afford the services of a counsel, the government will provide one for you. You have the right to demand physical examination by an independent and competent doctor of your own choice. If you cannot afford the services of a doctor, the state shall provide one for you. Do you understand these rights? Answer. Do you understand these rights?
No, I don't.
You don't understand? Okay, I'm going to read
I
again
think
your
I need to
rights.
call my lawyer in order to understand. My phone is right there.
Okay, you listen first before talking to your lawyer
In order to
because
understand, I have to call my lawyer.
you must have understand first before calling your lawyer. Okay, you should understand your
My
rights.
lawyer probably would understand. I don't
But
understand.
but before you call your lawyer, you should understand.
But I
these
don't
rights.
understand. I don't understand. I
You
do
don't
not
understand that you have
No.
the right to remain silent
Because
do
you are
not
not
understand.
listening.
because you're not paying attention.